Good evening friends, my name is Vijay Sarvade and today we are going to discuss about the wrapper class in Java. The wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into objects and objects into primitive. Since J2SE 5.0 auto boxing and unboxing feature covered primitive into objects and objects into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing and vice versa known as unboxing. The use of wrapper class in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language, so we need to deal with objects many times, like in collection, serialization, synchronization, etc. Let's us see the different scenarios where we need to use the wrapper classes. Change in the value method. Java supports only call by value, so if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value, but if we convert the primitive value in object, it will change the original value. Let's see the serialization. We need to convert the object into strings to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive value, we can convert in objects through the wrapper classes. The next is the synchronization. Java synchronization works with the object in multi-threading. Java.util package. The Java.util package provides the utility classes to deal with objects. Let's see collection framework. Java collection framework works with objects only. All classes of the collection framework. First one, array list, linked list, vector, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, array, dequeue, priority queue, etc. Deal with objects only. Let's see autoboxing. The automatic conversion of primitive data type into its corresponding wrapper class is known as a autobox. For example, byte to byte, character to character, int to integer, long to long, and float to float, and boolean to boolean, and double to double, and short to short. Since Java 5, we do not need to use value of method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive to objects. Let's discuss the unboxing. The automatic conversion of wrapper type into its corresponding primitive type is called as unboxing. It is the reverse process of autoboxing. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the int value method of wrapper class to convert the wrapper class type into primitive. Let's see the custom wrapper class in Java. Java wrapper class wrap the primitive data types. That is why it known as wrapper classes. We can also create a class which wraps a primitive data type. So we can create a custom custom wrapper class in Java. So this is all about the wrapper class in Java. We will discuss with another topic on tomorrow. Thank you.